Welcome! On today's video I will tell you why you should not learn WordPress. Let's go! If you're new here, my name is Anton from Coding Rich. On this channel I talk mainly about programming, ways of making money and ways on how to improve your life. Alright, let's begin. So, what's up with this WordPress thing? Why am I talking about it today and why you should listen to it? I'm pretty sure you heard of it or maybe used it already. WordPress is just a CMS, a content management system, which means it's just like a Lego box and you can build your parts together and create a nice, beautiful website in no time. But why do I make a video about it? Why you should not learn it? Simple. Because you will not earn any money with it. Let me explain. WordPress is used by over 60% of all the websites over the whole internet. It's almost a monopoly. So it also makes much sense to do it also, right? No. Why? If you just want a nice little blog, a nice little website just for yourself, not to make any money, but just like a nice little store, a nice little blog, a nice page about fashion and beauty, then go for it. If you just need a website for a website's sakes without customizing it much, without planning to make much money on it, then WordPress is a good thing. And that's why so many pages use it, because you can reuse all those components. So don't get me wrong, WordPress is not bad, WordPress is very cool, and hence that's why more than half of the internet uses it. So that's a great thing, I cannot bash against it now. But if you're on this page, I talk mainly about programming, about development, about web development, about how to make money. So with this background, it does absolutely make no sense to learn it. Let me tell you the reasons. Number one, there are not many jobs for WordPress. Number two, if there are jobs for WordPress, they don't pay much. And number three, if someone needs a WordPress design, something which is not very custom, they will just hire someone from Fiverr for like $50. So how do you plan to make money on that? So if your goal is to become a software developer, to make money, that's all what this channel is about. So if your main priority is to be a great developer and to make good money, and this is the point of the whole channel, then please don't learn WordPress, because you will simply just waste your time. You can earn, of course, $50 from time to time, but what's the point of it? What's the point if you can use something which the world needs? SQL, web development with Angular, React or Vue.js, Java, Python, AWS. Those are all the frameworks, technologies and languages which the world actually needs, which companies need, who will pay big money for you. So those are the things, the technologies, the languages which companies need and will pay you very big money for it to use it. So why on earth would you even waste time to learn WordPress? If you, as an intelligent human being, even need a website for yourself, don't learn WordPress. Just hire someone else who learned it already and who can do it for you. So you don't waste your precious time on it. So you can use your time to learn Node.js, to learn Java, to learn SQL, to learn JavaScript, Angular, React, Vue.js. Remember those things, because they will make you very big money. Even if you're not in Europe and USA, but live somewhere in India and Pakistan where wages are significantly lower. So if you're from one of those places, then also do not learn it. Your competition is so high. If you do and offer something which the whole world already knows, for example WordPress here, then you have so much competition and this will crush the price, of course, and you will earn nothing. But if you're some guy from India who learns AWS, who learns Java, who learns Angular, who builds some cool projects and shows them on his or her portfolio, and then you apply, and then you show it on your website for the whole world, and people will come to you because you're an expert. They will pay you thousands and tens of thousands of dollars because they need you, because you're so rare. And even if you don't like to work internationally, you can just apply to work in Europe, to work in the US and A as an expert, and also earn your 6 figures or maybe 7 figures someday. So you get the point. Even if you need a simple website, hire someone and just learn things which will make you money. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know your opinion in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.